Hello everyone. Infertility is a health problem. It is affecting not only the older couples but the younger couples as well. So if you are one of the couples fighting against infertility, recurrent miscarriages or multiple IVF failures, then get a second opinion with us on 1st March in Shillong Children's Hospital, Pynkhreh. So come and share your problem with us. Explore the newer fertility options coming up in the field of infertility. We are here to help you out. Thank you.
Bor District Ri Bhoi kelanang Pynkhreh man Pyniaid beit iaka jingthep vote na kebentaki election MDC kebenlong ak arpuai terik urempang arhajar arpusan. Akabadi ki hajar ngot ki polling personnel ki beri genong tre sarkar kelami benech ki polling station jengki santeli ki constituency kebadan hagani district. Apa penting balo ke jing Pynkhreh dengan kesingthep vote ikong balakenti rani additional deputy commissioner iberi pet akatanat election. Litu bagi Bor District lepen biang lot iki jing dan kambaro ban Pyniaid beit ya ke jingthep vote. Litu ru bagi dan lai spak lai puai teli ki polling station hakini ki constituency na pedeng kini kumbakan ru teli ki degi badan pedeng ke jing bom shngain bat khatsau teli ke badan jingma. Lakataru nak kaliang ki Bor District lepen Pynkhreh ru iki Bor pulit ki baklan ban pet ngor ya ke jingiat beit ke jingthep vote. Syuk-syuk nak kaliang jong i lewer ki patba begini mi renti ban election benta ke bentap wi vote jong ki kenang ban penlong ya kan ki election ke bajop.
Ri Bhoi District midang khatsau teli ki critical polling station but kanril teli ki vulnerable polling station. Kaji Pynkhreh nak benta kini ki critical vulnerable polling station kenang kumni kumangala itu menangani bangila ki police personnel kila ada lupa ku 3 companies for Ri Bhoi District kiba deploy keleng saudang jengki polling station kenang bikin pet yang sukasan yang kajing niat bet jangka voting kaka aku terek bila syai ka Jipen Pynkhreh nak kaliang jengki police bat ki zone apart from zone magistrate kalong bahaki critical bat ki vulnerable PS Gidan kumandril teliru ki P-2 polling station ki bala movement nen kita gidan sajirang baca mau hati bana duk menen ke porsan steng kini bala khai kila pois ki polling station dia duk mentahi ka movement jong ki polling personal kalong smooth ba ngimpat dan kenu ba ni jingthep ba kadon ka kenu ke jingwet ke lantian bat rengkat bat kini ki polling station kemudian border ru di deputy commissioner jangi ila dak tho bat ikran bat ki bor sarkar jong ki district ki ba khapot Assam bat Meghalaya bagi Shinkia ba ki jingwan jong ki polling parties ke jongi kinam nan jong kontra alanti bat bagi la balio kumju ban Pyniaid election haka suka sign dah ko ko bade tikani ki Pynkhreh nak mentagi ki polling station